Alright guys, back again to the future, Yahweh Shai here speaking, and I just want to give my father Yahweh thanks for life and for strength once again. To all you sincere Akin who pushing this word here in truth and in sincerity, shalom to you as well. Today we're going to go into a little bit of Esau's history, yeah? So everybody want to talk about, oh, who is Esau, this, that, this, that. So who is Amalek? Esau's family tree, yeah? So Genesis 36 verse 12. And Timnah was concubine to Eliphaz, Esau's son, and she bare to Eliphaz Amalek. These were the sons of Ada, Esau's wife. And Ada, yeah, is a Arabic name, yeah? And also, yeah, Amalek is these so-called people who are the people in Israel right now who stole our land, yeah, and claim our identity, if you guys didn't know, okay? So, Genesis, yeah, 36 is a full read for you guys, and we're gonna go. Verse 1. Now these are the generations of Esau, who is Edom, yeah? Verse 2. Esau took his wives of the daughters of Canaan. Yeah? Ada, the daughter of Elon. You see, Elon was there. Elon, the Hittite, and Abolomia, the daughter of Anna, the daughter of Zebulun, the Hivite. Genesis 9, verse 22. So, if you ever watch this movie, the 50 cents, yeah, 50 pence, yeah, did. It was called Power, and his name was Canaan, and he know who he is, and I know who I am, and it's a very big problem because, as I tell you guys, my name is Yahweh Shai. These people in the camps as well, too, you don't know who you be, because as I tell you, you killed me, and you don't even know why. You understand? You're saying you are Israelite, but it don't look like that to me. From my judgment, you judge, right? But from my judgment, you are against me. Do you understand that? Genesis 9, and I'm going to show you guys as well too. Don't be stupid about color. Yeah? Genesis 9 verse 22. And Ham, the father of Canaan, saw the nakedness of his father and told his two brethren without. I'll read that again. And Ham, the father of Canaan, and Ham, the father of Canaan, saw the nakedness of his father and told his two brethren without. 23. And then and Shem and Japheth took a garment and laid it upon both their shoulders and went backward and covered the nakedness of their father, and their faces were backward, and they saw not their father's nakedness. So you could see right there, yeah, that Ham is a pervert. He wanted to uncover people nakedness. He looked to try to seek to see what he could do because he's a pervert. 50 senses of Ham, he's a pervert. All these bitches who think they're men, they're bitches. Straight up. Anyways, yeah, and Noah awoke from his wine. And Noah awoke from his wine and knew what his younger son had done unto him. And he cursed. And he said, Cursed be Canaan, a servant of servants shall ye be unto his brethren. And you see, with that right there, that is an even big problem. Because Ham, yeah, remember Ham is the father of Canaan. You understand? And he gonna be a servant unto his brethren because he is nasty, he wicked. He want to uncover people nakedness. You understand? So, Edom definition, yeah, he is faint. He on drop out. Yeah? Genesis 25 verse 23. And the Lord said unto her, Two nations are in thy womb. Stop right there. No, we have two nations right here still in this womb, because you have good and you have the evil. And people really don't understand yet. But ain't no time to be really plain to understand. Yeah? And two manner of people shall be separated from thy bowels, and the one people shall be stronger than the other people. And the elder, which elder means the oldest, yeah, shall serve the younger. Remember, yeah? And he said, Cursed be Canaan, a servant of servants shall ye be unto his brethren. Where he just down here says, And the Lord said unto her, Two nations are in thy womb, and two manner of people shall separate from thy bowels, and the one people be stronger than the other people, and the elder shall serve the younger. Yeah? And 24. And when her days to be delivered were fulfilled, behold, there were twins in her womb. No. Yeah, Esau is our brother. Yeah? But remember this, yeah? Somebody have to be at the bottom. Have to be. And somebody have to be at the top. No. Father gave Esau his time to rule because Esau wanted back the birthright, yeah, that he despised. Esau didn't care about the birthright. Even up to now, Esau don't care about the birthright. Esau is a man of the field. That's where you guys work yourself to death up to now, still today. Let's get into the word. And the first came out red all over like an hairy garment, and they called his name Esau. Even that, for how he looked, was a problem. You understand? 26. And after that came his brother out, and his hand took hold on Esau's heel. Yeah? So, who came out first? Esau. What I just said down here? The elder, the oldest, going to serve the younger. Let's go back to 26. And after that came his brother out, and his hand took hold on Esau's heel. And his name was called Jacob. And Isaac was threescore years old when he beard them. So, you see right there, yeah, for the fact that Esau got to serve us, he vexed because he love work. So he love work, he gonna be the one to be working. Yeah? 29. And Jacob sowed pottage. So Jacob was a nice chef. Jacob could have cooked. Jacob could have plant weed. Jacob could have think. Yeah? And Esau came from the field. Esau is a workaholic. He loved his work. And he was faint. Esau was faint. And Esau said to Jacob, Feed me, I pray thee, with that same red pottage, for I am faint. Therefore was his name called Edom. So Esau is faint. He gonna fail. Yeah? And Jacob said, Sell me this day thy birthright. And Esau said, Behold, I am at the point to die. Hear that? Jacob said, And sell me this day thy birthright. So, me as a man, right, if I love something and somebody say, Look, give me that, I'm gonna sell it, yeah? I don't have to give you if I want it and it's mine, yeah? And Esau said, Behold, I am at the point to die. And what profit shall this birthright do to me? You understand that? So Esau gave it away right there. And Jacob said, Swear to me this day. And he swore unto him. You hear what Esau do, eh? And he sold his birthright unto Jacob. So, as again, right, I come back. My name is Yahweh Shai. I am the leader of Israel, the son of Father Yahweh, and I come back for our birthright. Yeah? 34. Then Jacob gave Esau bread and pottage of lentils, and he did eat and drink, and rose up and went his way. Thus Esau despised his birthright. Esau despised his birthright. You workaholics. Esau despised his birthright and sold it, and he also moved as well too. Genesis 36, yeah, verse 6. And Esau took his wives and his sons and his daughters and all the persons of his house and his cattle and all his beasts and all his substance which he had got in the land of Canaan. In the land of where? Where Esau was? In the land of Canaan. Ham. Ham. Don't forget Ham. Yeah? And went into the country from the face of his brother Jacob. Yeah? Why? Yeah? For their riches were more than that they might dwell together, and the land where they were strangers could not bear them because of their cattle. Thus dwelt Esau in Mount Seir. Esau is Edom. And they say, well, Mount Seir is Arab land, whatever. Remember, is the seed, eh? So Esau moved to where? Mount Seir. Yeah? Esau is faint. And what seed did Esau come from originally? He came from the seed of Isaac. Esau moved to Mount Seir. Esau is faint, yeah? 9. And these are the generations of Esau, the father of the Edomites in Mount Seir. These are the names of Esau's sons. Eliphaz, the son of Ada, the wife of Esau. 2. Ruel, the son of Bashamath, the wife of Esau. So Esau had 2 sons. These 2 sons, yeah, they had children, they had sons, because it's about the seed line, yeah. And the sons of Eliphaz were Teman, Omar, Zephon, Zephon, and Gatam, and Kenaz. 12. And Teman was concubine to Eliphaz, Esau's son, and she bare to Eliphaz Amalek, which is these bastards over there in Israel right now. These were the sons of Ada, Esau's wife, yeah. And these are the sons of Ruel, Naphath, Nahath, and Zerah, Shammah, and Misa. These were the sons of Bashemath, Esau's wife. And now you guys need to look up these names as well too. Yeah? So Esau's family tree. Esau plus Ada, I just told you guys what went on there, yeah? And again, Esau is the seed of Isaac. Yeah, but Esau is a wicked seed. And Esau moved. Esau moved. Yeah, and he mixed. He went into the land of Canaan. Yeah, mixed with Ham. You understand? The father of the Canaanites. So you guys got to go ahead and really think about what's going on. I hope this lesson was edifying to you. If anybody could break it down better than me, do that. But Esau is a wicked seed. Jacob is a righteous seed. 2 nations. Shalom.